Hello students, today's my topic is Chandragupta Maurya. Then let's start Chandragupta Maurya. This one Chandragupta Maurya. He is also called Sandrocotus by Greek scholars. He was a general in the army of Nandas. He wanted to establish his own empire, but for this there was the two main difficulties in front of him. Firstly, there were the Alexander's generals, and second one was the Nanda's last ruler, Dhananand. So, when Alexander died, he defeated his generals, and then after this he defeated the Nanda's dynasty last ruler, Dhananand. Now we will discuss it in brief. Alexander died in 323 BC. In 323 BC. After the death of Alexander, his empire was divided among his generals. His empire was divided among his generals. He had left behind in charge. After the death of Alexander, Chandragupta gathered a small army under the advice and guidance of his friend, philosopher and guide Chanakya. Finally, he defeated the Greek governors and conquered the whole of Punjab. Now we will discuss Seleucus. This one, Seleucus. Under Alexander's empire, there were many generals or governors. One of them was Seleucus. This one, Seleucus. Chandragupta Maurya defeated him in 305 BC. And as a result, firstly, he took four important provinces of Seleucus, and secondly, he got married with Seleucus' daughter, and thirdly, Chandragupta Maurya gifted 500 elephants to Seleucus. And according to treaty, Seleucus sent his ambassador Megasthenes to Chandragupta's court, who lived there for many years, and he also wrote a book called Indica. He wrote a book there, Indica. This one. As we have discussed earlier, there were the two main difficulties in front of Chandragupta Maurya. Firstly, Alexander's generals, and secondly, last Nand ruler. So, from them we have discussed Alexander in detail already. Now we will start with the next one, second one, last Nand ruler. Means now we will discuss about the Magad. After defeating Seleucus, Chandragupta Maurya raised his position in Punjab, and after this he gathered a powerful army, and then he invaded Magad. This one, Magad. Then he invaded Magad. Now the question is here, why he invaded Magad? He invaded Magad due to their weak and poor administration. So he took the advantage of this situation. So finally he defeated the last Nand ruler, Dhananand, in 322 BC. In 322 BC. And after this, he became the founder of Maurya Empire. And finally he became the founder of Maurya Empire or Maurya Dynasty. Students, now our next topic is the extent of Chandragupta Maurya's empire. This one, the extent of Chandragupta Maurya's empire. Chandragupta Maurya built up a vast empire, and his empire was extended from Bengal in the east to Hindu Kush in the west. Hindu Kush is a great mountain system of Central Asia, and from Himalayas in the north to confines of Mysore in the south. Confines means edge. I hope you understand it well, students. Thank you and have a